My girl, if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle, just stay put and continue watching. This is me in the morning, not really sure of what to do with my hair. So I went ahead to detangle my hair.
How are you all doing? So there's this Koroba hairstyle that has been trending that I have been meaning to do, but it doesn't scare me because I'm not sure how it's gonna look on me, but I have to face it. So I'll be using Lush hair. I tell the pack away, but I promise this is Lush hair, and I'm not doing some kind of endorsement for Lush hair, but I just happen to have packs of Lush hair that I cut the pack off. And if you watched my videos before, my previous videos, I showed half of the pack already cut. So
My girl, let's get right into it. I started off by sectioning my hair into 4 parts, and I'm gonna use my shine and jam to partition all my lines. Next, I'm gonna be using this mirror to look at my back if it's straight. So when I was convinced it was straight or somewhat close to, my girl, you can't get it all. Sometimes it's not so straight. So I started my braid by starting with my natural hair. You see where I put my hand because I'm braiding forward. Then I added my first extension and I continued braiding. So you will see the way after braiding to some extent, I'll position my hands back like I'm doing an all back style, and I'll continue braiding. So the way I'll braiding this hair is by picking my extension, lining it straight, pick one end, braid it down, and then pick the other part and then tuck it in and continue braiding it to get the invisible braid look. And my girl, you can see me using my mirror to look at my back from time to time, not to get it wrong, go on the wrong line. So when I finish braiding, I just tie the knots together because I'm convinced that's where I want the length to be. I go ahead to continue braiding the rest of my hair the same way. This style is very easy to make. It's not gonna be too much. I'm doing 4 on each side of my back hair, and I'm trying to put a pattern, so that's why I'm braiding it forward and then turning my hand to continue braiding it backwards. So I'm gonna do like a crisscross at the back of each side of the hair. Remember how I'm putting this braids, put one straight braid, pick one end, braid it, and then tuck in the other end and continue braid it to get the invisible braid look. My girl, when I was done braiding, I decided to bond the braid strand because we don't want anything chunky or freaky. I went ahead to put it inside hot water as well, and be careful when you're doing all those. And I decided to start threading the hair. When you're threading your hair, remember to put the needle into the braid so it doesn't show, and be careful when you're doing this. You can go on to use some kind of old needle that is not so sharp so you don't mistakenly prick yourself. Be careful. So I realized that this part was not as thick. I would have preferred it to be thicker, so I decided to take out that thread and then do it again and make it thicker. My girl, look at my hair. I did that, girl, and you can do it too. It's looking beautiful. Koroba style is given. What do you guys think about this hair? Are you gonna try it? It's not even a joke, my girl. I got a lot of compliment from this hair. If you decide to try this style, don't forget to tag me. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to spread love and kindness. Bye.